Mamata Banerjee announced 2 lakh compensation for families of 29 deceased due to the junior doctors' strike in West Bengal. Man claims woman filmed a foreigner without his consent on the Delhi metro. Post goes viral on social media. Where does one draw the line? A Bengaluru woman has sparked controversy on social media following her criticism of Swiggy's delivery services. In her post on X, she expressed frustration over the lack of Kannada-speaking delivery agents in the city, causing a language war. Union Minister for Transport and National Highways Nitin Gadkari revealed that he was approached by one of the senior opposition political leaders with the prime ministership offer ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, but he simply rejected it. Amid heavy rainfall, 2 private bank employees died after getting trapped in their sports utility vehicle or so in the flooded Old Faridabad railway underpass, the Haryana police said. Diljit Dosanjh's Dilluminati Tour India tickets sold out within minutes, went on pre-sale on September 10, and they were made available for general purchase on Thursday afternoon. Unsurprisingly, the tickets were all sold out within minutes. A video of locals thrashing 2 shop workers in Ghaziabad went viral. The incident happened after the shopkeepers were accused of serving fruit juices mixed with urine. The Jammu and Kashmir High Court granted pre-arrest bail to an Indian Air Force wing commander accused of rape, mental harassment, and stalking a female flying officer in Srinagar. PM Narendra Modi welcomes a new member to the Nanda family, Deepjyoti, the calf. Supreme Court sought centre's response on a petition seeking action against growing incidents of rape in India by increasing awareness about rape laws and women's rights under various laws, by introducing it as part of school curriculum. 4 Indian citizens have returned home after they were fraudulently drafted into a private Russian army and made to fight in the Russia-Ukraine war. A Bengaluru woman took to social media to narrate her ordeal and said she received open rape threats from a man travelling in an auto rickshaw. Railway staff beaten to death on Humsafar Express after 11-year-old girl accuses him of touching her. Major boost for CSK as BCCI set to give green light for rule allowing MS Dhoni to be retained as uncapped player. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar revealed that he was involved in the negotiations during a plane hijacking in 1984 and that his father, a prominent Indian civil servant, was aboard the plane taken to Dubai. On PM Narendra Modi's 74th birthday, Ajmer Sharif will distribute 4,000 kg vegetarian langar. Cristiano Ronaldo creates history, becomes first to breach 1 billion barrier on all over social media. A Chinese dentist performed a complex procedure on a man that resulted in his death. As per reports, In a single day, the surgeon pulled 30 teeth from the man and placed 12 implants. Rohit Sharma's Mumbai Indians career over as franchise shockingly speculated to release or trade amid LSG link-ups. Infosys founder Narayana Murthy has once again come under fire from social media, this time for suggesting that parents need to foster an environment of discipline at home to help children focus on their studies.